How to delete a single email in a conversation in Gmail. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to Gmail and then go to a conversation. After that, tap on the three dot of the message you want to delete. Or you can simply go to trash icon from here and delete the email. But if you have a longer conversation, you can easily tap on the three dot in that specific message, and you will also get the option of delete this message, and you can easily delete that particular message. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.